Hi folks, my name is JC. I'm from the customer success team at Azure System, and today I'll present to you the brand new Azure Sentinel integration, as well as the tools and automation that we offer as part of Firework's solution on Azure Marketplace. So first of all, let's see how we configure your Firework instance in order to send logs directly to Azure. So this happens in the Teams section right here. So if you are an administrator of your organization in Firework, you'll be able to edit the section here, and it simply consists of adding a new Azure Sentinel alert channel that you can name. And then the two pieces of information that you need are the workspace ID and shared key, both of which can be found directly in your Sentinel instance. Once that is done, you're able to send a test log to make sure that you're actually connected right there. So there you go. And as of now, anyone in your organization will be able to use Azure Sentinel as a destination for all the logs and all the documents that we collect. So now let's jump to Azure Sentinel. So if you go in the overview here, as you can see, we have a bunch of documents collected, some of which are coming from Firework here. So part of the tools and automation that we give when you launch Firework in your Sentinel instance are workbooks. So we have a base workbook that we offer that consists of 4 different dashboards. The first gives you an idea of the documents we have collected for each risk level. So we have risk level from 1 to 5, and we basically show one curve per risk level to give you an idea of the past 30 days. In a similar matter, here we have the source of all the documents we collected, so where these documents were coming from. And it can go from clear web, GitHub, Google, to the dark web, Canadian headquarters, exploit.in, and all those different sources. And on the left here, we have an aggregated in the top 6 for the past 30 days. Finally, we have the amount of leaked credentials that we found, so combinations of email passwords, which really is of interest to almost all of our customers, which is the reason why we also offer automation regarding those. I'll just go back here to my Azure Sentinel. And basically the full workflow of automation, for those less familiar with Sentinel, goes into 3 steps. So the first step is to create an analytics rule. So here's the one that we need. It basically checks whether the Firework log that came in had new data leaks, so had an email password combination. Now, once this is done, you go in the automation section and we provide an automation rule, which will really simply run this analytics rule. And if the condition is met, therefore, if we found email and password, it will run a playbook. So as you might have guessed, the last step is the playbook, which we also provide as part of the solution. So we can have a look here. It consists of a couple of steps. As a whole, what it does is it parses the log. It finds the information that we need, in this case, email and password. And for each of those, so for each of those leaked credential, it's gonna send an email to the user saying that their password has been leaked, and if they are using it still, they should change it right away. And you can send it from anywhere, any email address you want, and you can also add other destinators if you want for BCC or CC for your to keep track of those. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.